So to begin with, in English, we use the verb to play in all sorts of different scenarios. In Irish, it's a little different depending on the type of play that we're talking about. So we might use one or two different verbs for open play, games without structure. Then different terms for talking about games with structure. And then if we're talking about playing an instrument, we're going to use a different term again. So let's start with open play. The children are just playing in the playground. We call it expree or exugre. So we put these into sentences. I like to play. Is malam a bheith expree. I like to be playing. Is malam a bheith expree. Is malam a bheith expree. We could use sugra here. Is malam a bheith exugre. Is malam a bheith exugre. Is malam a bheith exugre.